focused on exploring for high-grade orogenic gold in the beautiful province of Newfoundland in Canada. We're executing on our plan, our 2.0 plan. We've got an excellent, experienced, talented local team that is doing a great job. And we've got over $10 million in cash with no debt, with great investors like Eric Sprott that has 18%, and Newfound Gold that has 11%. We're very pleased about our recent acquisition of Gazebo North, bringing those two properties together. We see a structural corridor, the Appleton structural corridor, having splays going through that area. So we're executing a crew going there right away, doing some ground truthing, seeing what's on the ground. It's going to be fantastic, I think, because it just kind of opens up other areas, other targets for the company. We've got an exciting exploration program this year. We've done over 10,000 soil samples and did some tilling, as well as other field ground work across 3 key areas along the Appleton Fault. We've got Deuter Lake, we've got Titan South, we've got Appleton North. So these are key areas. So we're waiting to get those samples back, actually those assays back, and that will hopefully generate new targets and also maybe confirm the targets that we're already looking at right now. So that's very exciting for us. So that's one of the key components that we're waiting for. We also got lots of rock assays we're looking to get back. The drilling at Titan is exciting. We just started that. It's a 3,500 meter program. We're putting in about 10 to 15 holes. There was some historic drilling there before, but they only went down to like less than 100 meters. So and they hit gold before. So we know there's gold there. We see some good samples on surface. So what we're doing is we're kind of looking for those historic trends and following it deeper, and going down to 350 meters. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, so we've improved upon our assay process this year. Last year, of course, the labs were inundated with all the assays coming from the gold rush that happened last year. So we've improved that. We've gone to a different lab. So we're expecting assays back within about 8 weeks or so, give or take. Yeah, so we've got over $10 million in cash. We did a small flow-through raise about a month ago, and we always want to make sure that we have an adequate amount of flow-through to fund our field programs and our drilling programs. So we did a small raise. It was unbrokered, no warrants, no commissions, so it was an attractive deal for us. And we're very pleased to have Sprott Asset Management, one of the key providers of that financing, in our shareholder group. Well, with respect to our shareholders, again, it's great having Eric Sprott with 18%, Newfound Gold 11%, and now Sprott Asset Management 6%. I personally been buying in. I've got about 500,000 shares right now. I think we're very attractive right now due to the fact that we've got over $10 million in cash, and our market cap is only about $16 million. And with all these great exploration programs that we're executing on that have been well planned out. So we took the last 4 to 6 months doing a great job with this founding document, Exploration 2.0, to kind of guide us to where we need to be executing properly and efficiently. So things are going really well, and I'm happy to be buying inside. Yeah, it's a great question. I think it's great to have more understanding of the mining space, especially for the younger investors. I know I started investing in the junior mining space when I was in university. And so for me, what I looked at really just kind of macro, what kind of metal do you want to be in? What do you find interesting? What do you want to learn about? The great thing about mining is that it's in different jurisdictions of the world. Sometimes a little more difficult, sometimes a little more interesting. And so it's a great way to learn about different cultures and different countries and their laws around mining and environmental practice. So I think it's a great opportunity to learn more about the sector. And as you get into it, you learn more about the country too, and more of the area. So it really depends on the individual. But I think it's a huge opportunity for young investors to understand the world a little bit better, and also through investing in mining and understand mining. It's just a great opportunity. Well, exploit discovery, we're executing on our plan. We spent a lot of time and effort on this founding document, we call it. We used some of the best minds in the world, like Dr. David Groves, who's one of the top earth scientists in the world, Earth Labs, where you speak Gold Spot, local geologists, government geologists, our local team. So we've put a lot of time and effort into how to explore and how to accelerate gold discovery in the province. So the key thing now is we're executing on our plan. And we've got the right team to do it. We've been building up our team. We've been drawing in individuals from other successful exploration companies in the province that have that intellectual knowledge. And the key thing is excellent execution. And that's what the team is doing now.